What's up, you guys? So this is a college vlog and review session. So I've got a couple of Amazon Locker pickup codes because there's an Amazon Locker right outside of my dorm building. So we're gonna go pick up the couple of things that I ordered and I'm gonna review them for you guys. So I wanted to make a vlog of it, but I didn't get enough footage, and honestly it was too late at night to pay attention. But a few weeks ago, before my classes started, I went with my buddy Ryan to Manchester, New Hampshire at 11:30 at night to go pick up an Apple Pencil from some guy who was selling it on OfferUp. Sorry, I walked past the doorkeeper. At which point it was 11:30 at night, as I said, and I had offered the guy $10. He had it listed for 30. I talked him down to it, but he had left it in his mailbox for me to come and pick up. No big deal. But it didn't have a cap, and it didn't come with the dongle to charge it. So I could charge it off my iPad like you're supposed to, but that eats up a lot of iPad battery. And on iOS 14 just being released, where the battery's suffering a little bit, it's not the best idea. So right when I bought the Apple Pencil, I went on Amazon and I bought a charging cable for it. It's not a regular charging cable because it's got the female Apple Pencil charging right on the end of it, and a USB-A. The other thing I ordered is, as I said in my little update, my MacBook Pro is off for repairs and I should be getting it in the mail. It's supposed to be Saturday, but it should be tomorrow. So basically, the dock that I've been using, which I'll show you guys when I go back upstairs, oh yeah, Peep Foxhall in the background. The dock I was using, it used, I'm outside now, a single Thunderbolt port, and I think that might have been part of my issues with the battery and the overvolting and all that kind of stuff, because I don't actually know what happened. So I bought a new dock, and this dock cost me $70 as opposed to the one I have, which cost me $100 at Best Buy, also from Amazon. But the difference is, instead of plugging into one port, it plugs into two. So let's grab these items and we'll go upstairs. So for anyone who's never used an Amazon Locker before, it says, like, you know, here's the scan barcode or touch. So here's the barcode. We're gonna do the one for the Apple Pencil first. This is my barcode for the Apple Pencil. Okay. Oh, it says I have both available for pickup, so let's open locker one. It's over there. So let's go over here. Oh, if anyone wants to send me anything, this is a Nokia. Oh, it's in a box. I don't know what. Sounds like, yeah, this is definitely the charger. And the charger also came with a new cap for the tip of the Apple Pencil. So I have one more, so let's open it. Oh, it's right beside us. And this one came in an envelope, and this one, oh yeah, this feels thicker. This is my MacBook dock. So, I got my packages, and let's go inside and I'll open these up for you. Another thing I am going to mention is neither of these were supposed to be here today. The dock was supposed to be here on Sunday, and the cable wasn't supposed to be here till Tuesday. The only other thing I've ordered recently from Amazon, dropped off here, which is so much better than having it sent through the school mail, is I got some RAM for Maddie's computer, which I've got a video on. It's shot. I just need to edit it once I get my MacBook. Anyway, let's go sit down at my desk and let's open these up. Okay, so we're back in my room and let's open the packages. And yeah, I'm sorry for any stuff in the background, you know, like my desk and the box of granola bars. I bought those today, and my laundry and all that kind of stuff. I'm still working on getting this set up where it needs to be for the school year. Even though the school year's already started, I'm just still working on getting it where it needs to be. Okay, hopefully this is working. I think it is. That's good. So let's start by opening up the actual box, which I think has the cable, which is weird because usually you'd think like something small like a cable would go inside like the envelope, but what's in here sounds really lightweight, and there's actually quite a firm, like, boxy shape in the package. So let's open this up, and what do we got? Yep, big box, just one thing. So this is the Apple Watch cable and replacement charging tip. Only when I was just editing this video did I realize that I said Apple Watch instead of Apple Pencil, but don't worry, I've got a video showing some interesting Apple Watch chargers coming pretty soon. So let's try and put the tip on. It's not magnetic like the other one, I don't think. Nope. So it's basically just a silicone tip, but it actually looks really good. So yeah, that looks pretty good, and we'll try the cable out in a minute. But now, let's open up the Amazon package. Guess I don't have to cut, I just have to rip. Okay, so nothing else in there. So here we go. This is what I got. It's the HireCool USB Type-C Hub Pro. It says it's the Thunderbolt dock, which is pretty good, or it's really good. It's what I need pretty much. So at this point, let's open this up. And I don't have my MacBook to test it with, so I'm gonna open it up now and I'll show you guys the ports and stuff. And then as soon as I get my MacBook back, we will have that little bit of this video. Let's get this open. I really like that the Amazon lockers are just right outside my building pretty much. So I open this up. Oh wow. Okay, so we got the paperwork and stuff right here. And then we have the dock itself. Now, this is actually like way better condition than I thought it would be. So this is actually not like a cheap whatever, like a cheap, I don't even know what the hell the name of it is, like plastic housing. This is like actual like insulated rubber. So the difference, and hang on, let me grab my old dock, which is right here. Seeing them side by side, you can see this one's definitely less versatile than this one, because this one you actually have to set up this one. You can basically just plug it and go. I'm giving my brother this dock, but you can see it's only got the one Thunderbolt cable and the one Thunderbolt plug, which I think was the problem, because I would have external drives, a monitor, and all that other stuff hooked up to this, just going through one port. I think that's where I ran into a problem before. So in terms of ports, looking at my old dock, we've got an audio port, VGA, HDMI, and then a display or HDMI port, which, so in other words, this can drive up to 3 displays at once. We got 3 USB 3.0 ports, Type A, 1 USB-C 3.1, SD and micro, 10, 100, 1000 gigabit Ethernet, and then our charging port. So in terms of the new one, we got 1 USB-C over here, SD and micro, and then 1 USB-A. And then over here, we have 2 HDMI ports, power in, and we have a regular USB-A port. So we are 1 video port short from where I was before, and 1 USB-A port. However, I don't need all 3. I was barely using 2 as it was. And sorry about the cough, but I was already using 2 as it was. I wasn't using all 3 anyway. But this, because it's all not one thing and it's not sitting under the MacBook, this I can just plug it in and I can throw it behind, or I can just have it just sitting there and I can just throw it somewhere. It doesn't have to be connected right to it. Which, for me, that's going to be a freaking game changer. Just being able to show up, plug in 2 ports, and all of a sudden everything just connects and works, and I just want my MacBook back. I'm going to show you quick the charger for the Apple Pencil. So basically, I just have this dock. It's what I'm going to charge the Apple Pencil in, and my iPad, which has been charging all day. So I'm just going to plug in this cable. I don't think that, yeah, there's no light or anything on it. But basically, we're just going to unplug the Apple Pencil, just plug it in. And we should be able to see it on the iPad. Yep. I don't know how well you can see that, but this one right here, it's Apple Pencil. It is charging. So yeah, that's actually really nice. And this is so much better than that little dongle, which can so easily get lost, because this is a blue cable and it's not going to be lost anywhere. And then the cap, I have a thing for it that basically just loops it right on here. So I'm not going to lose the cap either, because what we really don't want is to be searching this entire room for my cap. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, drop a like on this video. Let's shoot for at least 1,000 likes. Click up here to subscribe, or up here to watch my last video. I forget what that was. Oh yeah, it was my explanation video. And then I'm going to be having videos up for you real soon, guys, just as soon as I get my MacBook back in the mail, which should be tomorrow. So until then, guys, peace.